Hello, welcome to Lala Handmade channel. Today, this video will teach you how to crochet sunflower keychain. I have selling crochet kit. If you are interested, go to my shop lalahandmade_qua have a look. This is our crochet kit. Everything is ready for you. This is the material inside. We made disc florets. The crochet hook used is 2.5 millimeters. Take brown and green yarn. Let's start. Circle around little finger, then to the index finger. Press with middle finger and thumb. The look of behind. During the hooking process, little finger can control the yarn required. The start of the magic ring. The look of inside. Press it and can start to crochet. The abbreviations are explained in the printed tutorial paper. If you don't understand the meaning of the abbreviation, you can just read it. How to hold the crochet hook? The first, pencil position. Place your index finger and thumb on 3-finger hold and rest the hook on your middle finger. Once you get used to it, it will become very fast to hook. The second one is knife position. Grab U-hook with your thumb and middle finger, resting your index finger on top of the hook. Your hand should be covering most of your hook. Its handle should be resting against your palm. In this video, I will use knife position. It's friendly for beginners. Didn't say it must be like this. Just do whatever feels comfortable. Now make a magic ring. We have 1 loop on the hook. Going to work in 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Insert our hook into the hole, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through just like normal to finish first single crochet. Demonstration of wrong. If it is too loose, it will cause the hole will be too big. If it's too tight, it's hard to yarn over and pull through. So make it same size as crochet hook. The finished product will be neat and nice. Continue. Just finished a single crochet, so put a stitch marker. Put stitch markers is easy to find the first stitch. Continue with the rest single crochet. This is the second single crochet. Make the rest for single crochet. The total is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you just gonna pull it. Take out the stitch marker. Second row, now making a slip stitch. Insert our hook yarn over the 2 threads. Pull through. Pull through again. Tension. This is the first stitch. Insert our hook, make increase stitch. Put the stick marker. This is first and second stitch. Now do a single crochet in the same stitch. So this is single crochet increase. Continue another 5 single crochet stitch. The total is 12. Do slip stitch. The first stitch, do single crochet. Next, do increase stitch. This is one group. Repeat next 5 group. Do slip stitch. Now make 1 single crochet. Next, do increase stitch. Next, do 1 single crochet. This is one group. Repeat another 5 group. Do 3 single crochet. Next, do increase stitch. Repeat another 5 group. Now count row. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Do a slip stitch. Done. Cut it. So now done with 1 disc florists. The brown one also the same, just repeat the video. Now make petal. We gonna sew it together. After sewing, we'll be easy crochet the petal. We'll sew 30 times. Stuff fiber fill into the ends when almost done sewing. Finish sewing it. Done, cut it. Tie it. Hide the extra thread. Now start to make petals. Tie it. Yarn over. Make to chain stitch. Make a double crochet at the next stitch. Dot 3 threads on the hook. Pull through to thread first. Pull through again. Make triple crochet on the same stitch. Now hook got 4 threads. Pull through and pull through. Make to chain. Slip stitch into the bottom stitch just like this. After that, make a triple crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the same stitch. Make to chain. Slip stitch on next stitch. This is the first petals. Next will be repeat the process. Make another 9 petals. The total is 10 petals. Last, make to chain. Then slip stitch on the first stitch. Done, cut it. Tie it and hide the extra thread. Now make leaf. Circle around index finger. Press with middle finger and thumb. Pass through another and another. Pull your index finger up. Place it on the crochet hook. Make 12 chain stitch. The red needle is the first stitch. The yellow is second stitch. We gonna insert second stitch, which is the yellow needle. Do a single crochet. Put markers. Next stitch, do a half double crochet. Next, do 2 double crochet. Next to stitch, do 2 triple crochet. Next, do 2 double crochet. Next stitch, do 1 half double crochet. Next, do 1 single crochet. At the corner, do 3 single crochet. Now do single crochet on the other side. The next stitch is in the middle of the 2 raised. Pull this up. The big hole you see already has 3 single crochet. Now do single crochet. Next, do half double crochet. This row are also the same, so I won't repeat them. At the last stitch, do increase single crochet in the same stitch. Do 10 chain stitch. Do slip stitch. Cut it. Hide the extra, thread the back. Done! For the second leaf, no need to do 10 chain stitch. Just do slip stitch. Now it's time to sew the 2 leaves together. Tie it. Cut it. Hide the extra thread. Done! My crochet kit can choose gold or silver keychain ring. If you are interested, you check out my store. If you like this video, please give me a like. Subscribe me for more crochet tutorials videos. Thank you for your watching.